Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Bullymake box. So this is a monthly subscription for dogs that love to chew. If you haven't seen my other unboxings, I've done quite a few for this company. So about this box. They create most of the items included, especially the toys. They're made with USA produced, manufactured, sourced rubber and nylon. There is a guarantee on the toy, so if your dog chews it up, I think within 14 days, they'll replace it for you. So that you have that. So if your dog really does like play hard and rough and really chews, this is your box. $39 a month, you get 5 items, usually 3 treats and 2 toys. They have a featured toy that you can buy in their shop, like as a one-off if your dog really liked it. The thing that I love most is that they're really cute. So they're seasonally curated, like the March box was all St. Patrick's Day. It was just super adorable. The Valentine's box for February was also super. They're just so cute. If you haven't noticed, my voice is just being fun. So sorry about that. All right, so I don't know. This is the April box. And first, we're not going to look. This is what it looks like. You get the little fun Bullymake paper. They have a monthly giveaway now. Like, if you subscribe, you can text and you might get your box for free. Alright, and then here's our featured items for the month. The April Bullymake box. Every month, they're different. So I think that's really cool with the packaging. It's like fun to open, even though it's not for you, it's for your pet, it's still fun. Alright, so we're going to open this up and see. Oh, so is this like a... So is there a reason we did this month? It's like an Armed Forces box, looks like. Is it Veterans Day? I'm so terrible. I don't know. I have to look at a calendar. All right. So anyway. So here we go. It's like a bunch of snacks. All right. So our first item is the Bullymake peanut butter dog rations. So these are grain-free. That's another thing about this subscription. When you sign up, you're going to choose like the size of your dog. And if your dog has any allergy requirements that need like special attention, maybe your dog can eat a certain, type of food, they make sure that they will accommodate you, which is really, really cool. So these are little peanut butter treats, no wheat, corn, or soy. This is a 4-ounce package. Then we have Bullymake quack tenders. This is common. They have like a lot of duck products, which I know, I don't know if that's, I don't have a dog. You guys know that, so I don't know if that's very common. But look at the packaging, how cute it is. Each one is different. I think that's really cool. I love that blue, right? Isn't that cute? This feels like it's like a jerky almost. So like a tactile chew snack treat. That's the word. Alright. Then we've got, look at these. Dogs Love Snap Peas. So this is not from Bullymake. This is from Dogs Love Snap Peas. These are crispy baked dog treats. Peas and chicken flavored, limited ingredients. It feels like that's like the pea snaps, for us that we eat. Like a dehydrated sort of like a crunchy. This is a big bag too. So how many ounces are in here? This is a 2.5 ounce bag. Peas are an excellent source of protein, fiber, and rich in vitamin A, C, K, B1, B2, B3, and B6, manganese, folate, phosphorus, copper, magnesium, iron, zinc, and potassium. We use 100% real chicken in our crispy pea snacks with no animal byproducts. And that's the actual size, and that's what it looks like. So there you go. Baked dog treats, gluten and wheat free. Boom. All right. Our first toy is this tough nylon chew. This looks like a boomerang. What does it say on the thing here? This is a Pawnade. We don't just love the Pawnade toy. So this is a nylon toy. Do you hear how like tough it is? These are like super tough. And then it tells you in the back it's for an extreme chewer. So it's super durable, that it's made in the USA, or that the toy can be filled with treats to channel the energy of problem chewers. Where do you put the treats? Oh no. Duh. Dummy. That's not this. I'm like, how are they getting a grenade out of that? This is a propeller. Alright, so it's supposed to look like a propeller. Now we all see it, right? Check out this unique shape that we think your dogs will love. We designed 3 interesting ends for your dog to grip and chew. So they have these like ribbed things. The paw peller is textured with several crevices that will give increased mouthfeel. The paw peller by Bullymake is made from American-sourced nylon and manufactured in the good old USA. You can purchase this in their shop for $18. And then finally we have, this is the Pawnade. It is a grenade toy, and it has this little hole so that you could put treats like bully sticks and whatnot in there. And they have trouble getting it out, and that's awesome because it gives them a lot of time. You know, it gets them going. So it says USA Canine on there. It's super cute, and it's super, super durable. All right, so this is $17 to purchase in their shop. And yeah, I covered everything. So this is made with, in the USA, and we also love it because USA Canine donates these toys to the Military Working Dog Team Support Association and to organizations that pair returning veterans with service and companion dogs. That's why we love it. Oh, so that's really cool. All right, so that is everything that I received in my April Bullymake box. If you're interested in the full review, I'll link to that below. I'll also link to Bullymake with my affiliate link so you can check that out. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!